Over the period, there's a lot of things that I learned throughout this journey, help organization getting their outcomes. And with that journey, I came to know there is not even a single rule of building a PMO. However, there are some commonalities that exist. The first question that come into mind is why PMO is required and what exactly is the role that PMO plays in your organization. So if you are one of the organization where there is inconsistency amongst reporting, amongst single source of truth, amongst standards, multiple projects getting delivered in a different way, and you are in a leadership role where you want to have a transparent reporting at a portfolio level, or you want to move towards a standardization, then definitely the PMO is the answer. PMO is helping organization by understanding their culture and understanding their environment, and then the outcomes is standardization across the projects, providing tools so that team member can utilize them and give better output, providing them a guidance to ensure success as well. We have to engage, enable, and empower our team member so that they can deliver the outcome. The whole point is to ensure the organization is delivering projects as per consistency, with improved efficiency, and with the success rate. Feel free to comment, ask question. In future videos, I choose those topics and share that more detail around the PMO and their importance. Thank you.